Hello friends, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you fix the problem of YouTube not showing comments or you have missing comments. For this, we have to open the YouTube app and play a random video. For example, I have to play NASA video here. And there you can see comments are turned off option below the name of the channel. It means the channel has disabled the comments for this video. And the second thing, if you commented on a video and you cannot see your comment immediately, it means that the channel has on the restricted mode, or they have to read and search a single comment, and after they have read it they can approve it and then you can see your comment. And the third and the most common issue is your YouTube restricted mode is on. You have to make sure that you have disabled it. There you can see the settings option and you have to go to the general. There you can see my restricted mode is off. If it is on, then you have to turn it off. And the fourth thing is that if your videos or the video is the kids video, then YouTube automatically turn off the comments for this video. So these are the issues that you are not be able to see comments or you are missing your comments on videos. I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any question, please mention in the comments and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.